For my 3-piece and 6-piece Burr puzzles, I used 1-inch square wooden dowels that I measured and cut into shape. But for this 12-piece Burr puzzle, I'm going to use these 1/2-inch square blocks. Let's jump into a Minecraft world because that'll help make it easier to describe the process that I'm about to show you. The first thing that I want to do is to stack up the blocks into the shapes of the puzzle pieces. The 3-piece Burr puzzle that I made had 2 different shaped pieces, and the 6-piece Burr puzzle had 4 different shaped pieces. But this 12-piece Burr puzzle that I'm building now has only 1 shape for all of the 12 pieces. And with the blocks laid out like this, it's easy to count how many blocks are needed for each piece. Now let's glue these blocks together. When gluing these last segments together, keep in mind that this connection is the weakest point of these puzzle pieces. On my second channel, I'll have a video showing how to reinforce this connection to be much stronger if you're having issues of it breaking here. Now that I have all 12 of the puzzle pieces glued together, there are some adjustments that I need to make. Each piece has these 3 gaps that need to be wide enough for the other puzzle pieces to easily slide through. One way to help this is to sand the sides of the pieces. Sometimes it'll fit through one gap but not another. In this case, you can use a file or a rasp to slightly widen the gap. When you do this, it's important to make sure that the alignment of the gaps and the center segment match up for all 12 pieces. I've got all of the pieces finished, now let's show you how to solve the puzzle. The first time that you assemble the pieces, you may need to adjust their fit a bit more. When you have all of the puzzle pieces placed and it's time to slide the sections back together, do it slowly and gently because you may need to wiggle some of the pieces around a bit as they catch onto each other. I was inspired to build these puzzle pieces out of blocks by playing Minecraft. I have another channel where I'm making how-to videos for building in Minecraft. If you want to see what I'm doing over there, you can click on this video here. Thank you for watching.